infixed. Yes? Yes, we have seen postfix to infix conversion. Today we will see postfix to prefix conversion. Okay, and now from this lecture onward we will see only examples. Algorithm is same जैसे हमने अब तक देखे थे वैसे ही algorithms है उसके लिए. Only 2-3 conversions are remaining. We will see that conversions. Then we will see the next part, because your term end is before the Diwali. Yes, so I have to finish this unit as well as next unit. Okay, and one thing that I want to share, from today or tomorrow I will keep your extra lectures for Japanese audit course. Yes, अगर today possible हुआ तो, otherwise from tomorrow you will have extra lecture for Japanese at least for 1 hour plus Saturday 3 hours. Okay, and then if any faculty requires any extra lectures, then extra lectures will be conducted. So for fundamentals of data structure I will require some extra lectures. Yes, so I have to plan according to that. So I will give you the detailed timetable about that. Okay, now we'll see the next conversion, that is postfix to prefix. Yes, postfix to prefix conversion. This is my postfix expression. I want to convert this postfix expression into prefix. Yes, so from which side we can traverse, from left to right or right to left? Every time we require operand first. Yes, so we will traverse from left to right. Yes, so this is your input, this is your stack, and this is your output action. Okay, so first of all, as we will scan from left to right, so first is the operand, so we will push it on the stack. Yes, so A will be pushed on the stack. What is remaining here? B, C, D, E and these operators. Yes, so here what is the action? Push action. Yes, you can say instead of output action, just write down action here. Next is also operand, so push it on the stack. So remaining is this one. Now A, B, action is push. Again, next is operand, so remaining D, E, signs and this, then A, B and C. Again, what is the action? That is pushing the operands on the stack, so push action. Now again, next is operand, so first remaining expression we will write, then we will push it on the stack, so A, B, C and D. This D is operand, so we have pushed it on the stack. Again, action is push action. Now next operand is E. Again it is an operand, so we will push it back on the stack. So the remaining is, and the stack consists of A, B, C, D and E. Okay, this is my stack. I will draw it again. A, B, C, D and E. Again, the operation performed is push operation. Got everybody? Now, from this, what we have to do? Now our actual operators start. So what we will do? We will convert these two operands with this operation. Okay. So what we have to do? First of all, pop the two operands. Now while popping the two operands, this is our operand 1 and this is our operand 2. Yes, as this is two operands, we will pop it and attach this operator with these two operands. Now we are performing postfix to prefix. Prefix means first operator and then operands. Yes. So हम कैसे लिखते हैं? Operator OP1, OP2. So what we will do here, we will draw a stack. Where we will write this A, then this B, then this C. Now these are the two operands, and here first operator is power operator. So remaining are power, multiplication, minus. Now first of all, power operator, then operand 1 and operand 2. So D and E. This is the conversion for this operator. Now next operator is again power operator. So what we will do? A, B. Now here, this is my operand 1, this is my operand 2. So what I will do? Operator, operand 1 and operand 2. So this is operand 1, first is the operator, then operand 1 and this complete operand 2. So this is the conversion for this operator. Now what is remaining? Now two operators are remaining again. That is multiplication and subtraction. So now we will use this multiplication. Yes. For this is my operand 1 and this is my operand 2. So I will write A as it is. A. Now multiplication operand 1 and operand 2. So this is, yes. Now only one operator is remaining and two operands are there. This is operand 1, this is operand 2. So finally it comes to be first operator, then operand 1 and then operand 2. So this is final conversion from postfix to prefix. Write down this. I have an emergency call. I will be back within 2 minutes.
Okay, sorry girls, but emergency phone from principal sir, so I have received it.
Have you noted down?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Everybody is able to see the screen clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is postfix to prefix. Here we have scanned the expression from left to right. Okay. Whenever operand is there, we pushed it on the stack. Whenever operator is there, we pop the two operands, combine it with operator, and again the whole string we have pushed back on the stack. Again, for next operator, same process. Two operands, attach the operator first and then take the two operands. Just the difference is we have done the same process for postfix to infix. But what we have done in postfix to infix, complete string we have operand 1, operator and operand 2. We have combined this, and this complete string we have pushed back on the stack. Okay. Here, instead of middle, we have taken operator first. So first operator, then operand 1 and then operand 2. And in this way we pushed back the string on the stack. This is the difference between the two. Okay. Now we'll see the next conversion, that is prefix to infix. Prefix to infix. So this is my prefix expression. Now I will convert this prefix expression into infix expression. So what we will require is, first of all, we will require stack here. Yes, this is input expression, this is stack. Whenever you have to solve the problem, solve in this way only and go step by step. If you are missing any step, then your final answer will be wrong. So be careful while solving the expression. Now here, see, this is prefix expression. So can we traverse from left to right for scanning? Can we traverse? Girls, respond.
Right.
Yes. Why right to left? Because operands are present at right side in prefix expression. So we will scan from right to left. So in this way. So while scanning right to left, this is the first element of the expression, and that is operand. Yes, as it is operand, push it on the stack. So just a minute, I will change my pen. So I pushed that on the stack. So what is the remaining? Multiplication plus A minus BC divided by this F and G. Okay. Now next is this. Whenever I will operate on this, it is an operand, so I will push it on the stack. So H and here G. What is the remaining thing? Yes. Now again F. F is an operand. So अगर हम F को छोड़ते हैं तो remaining is this and I have to push F on the stack, not H, it is F. Yes. Now next is operator. So what we have to do? Insert the operator using the two operands. Yes. Now one difference here is that whenever you are scanning any prefix expression, at that time this is your operand 1 and this is your operand 2. Whenever we are scanning postfix expression, at that time our first operand is this and second operand is this. But for prefix expression, your first operand is this and second operand is this. Okay. So whatever you are copying from the stack will be your first operand and next is your second operand. So attach this operator with that operands. As we are doing infix, so we will put this operator in between. So first of all, what is remaining here? We will see that first. Now we will keep H as it is. My first operand, operator and second operand. I will attach the operator with the two operands and I will push it back the whole string on the stack. Next is again operator. So first of all, what is remaining? We'll see that. This is the remaining and now plus. So this is my OP2 and this is OP1. So what I will do? OP1, then this operator and then OP2. Okay, infix है इसलिए. Now next is operand. I am doing one shortcut here. I will push these two operands on the stack. So I will combine two steps in one. You don't do that. Here there is a space is very minimum. That's why I am doing that. So first is E and then D. And now remaining is this. Okay. Now next. Now what you will do? Next is an operand. So first of all, write the remaining things. Plus A minus BC and division. And then operator is there. For this minus operator, these are the two operand. Operand 1, operand 2. Okay. So we will write operand 1 minus operand 2. Yes. And then next is as it is. Okay. Now this is also an operand. So remaining is multiplication plus A minus B C, and here we will write or we will combine this operator with the two operands. So first operand, second operand. So first of all, first operand divided by next operand. Yes, if you want. Now this is very or too much big expression, so put brackets over here. It indicates that this is one operand and this complete is second operand, and you are performing this operation on these two operands. So put the brackets. Now next is C. So we will push it here. So what is remaining? Multiplication plus A minus B. Again we will push B also. So C and then P, and here D minus E divided by F minus G plus H. After that the remaining is plus A and minus. Operator है, so do the same thing. ये वाला as it is लिखो, D minus E divided by F minus D plus H, and here B minus second operand C. Now इसके बाद क्या है? A है मल्टीप्लीकेशन प्लस, अब मैं यहाँ पर A डायरेक्टली लिख देती हूँ. ओके, सो A को आप जब पुश करोगे स्टैक पे, आफ्टर दैट there are two operators that are remaining in the input expression. So we will perform first operation, that is ये as it is रहेगा plus H, and now operand 1, operator operand 2. So A is my first operand, plus is my operator, and B minus C is my second operand. Okay, now after that what is remaining? Only one operator is remaining, and these are the two operands. So now we'll take little bit more stack. Now which is my first operand? This is my first operand, so I will put it in bracket A plus B minus C multiplied by second operand D minus E divided by F minus G plus H. Yes, in this way we have converted input prefix expression into infix expression. This is the process. Yes? Okay? Any doubt in this? Everybody understood? Now see, in exam, what type of, yes?
मैम ऑपरेंड 1 और ऑपरेंड 2 किसको मानेंगे? मतलब लास्ट वाले केस में हमने अलग लिया था और इस वाले में अलग.
That I explained कि whenever you are dealing with postfix expression, input expression is postfix expression है, तो in that case this is your second operand and this is your first operand. और अगर आप ये stack consider करते हो, if this is your stack, then this is your first operand, this is your second operand. But now you are dealing with prefix expression. Yes, so in that case this is your OP1 and this is your OP2. Every time when I have explained conversion, I have told you which is your operand 1, which is your operand 2. Every time I explained that. आप लोगों ने लिखा है क्या? For infix expression also and postfix के लिए भी. Have you written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
आपको ये याद रखना है. Yes, for that how you will remember? For that purpose you have to do practice of such type of expression conversions. जितने conversions मैं lecture में बताती हूँ, after completion of all the lectures, search such type of expression on internet and try to solve it or convert it. हर एक के एटलीस्ट दो एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करो तो आपको याद रहेगा. बिकॉज अप टिल नाउ व्हाट वी हैव सीन एक्सप्रेशन इवैल्यूएशन. यस, postfix evaluation, prefix evaluation. Then we have seen conversion, infix to postfix, infix to prefix. Then postfix to infix, postfix to prefix. Now we are saying prefix to infix and prefix to postfix. Yes, so 6 type of conversions and 2 types of evaluation we have seen. So how you will remember that? For that purpose you have to do the practice. See all the, और अगर अभी तक practice नहीं की है then you can do one thing. after all completion of all the lectures, daily do the practice of at least 3 expression conversions. Okay? अगर आप इस तरीके से करोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा और याद भी रहेगा. Yes, and now जयश्री मैम ने भी आपको बताया ही है. I am again repeating. Start your study now. In the month of December, you will have your final exams. Yes. So for that purpose, start doing study right now. Maximum possible your exams will be MCQ. Yes, but अगर colleges start हो गए तो return हो सकते हैं. Okay. University is deciding to start the next semester from June. So you will have your exams in December. Okay. So have you noted down? We will see our last expression conversion, that is prefix to postfix. Prefix to postfix, sorry. So the expression is multiplication plus A minus BC जो हमने पिछले प्रीफिक्स टू इनफिक्स के लिए देखा था, सेम एक्सप्रेशन है यहाँ पर. Yes, so same expression is there. First of all, again prefix in expression is there, so we'll scan from right to left.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you read the example? Screen is so blurred.
ये स्क्रीन अभी दिख रही है?
मैम
blur
मेरी
नहीं
तरफ
है?
नेटवर्क इशू की वजह से ब्लर दिख रही है. आप क्वेश्चन रीड करो बस.
Okay. I will read the prefix expression, that is multiplication plus A minus B C division minus D E plus minus F G H. Yes. So now while scanning from right to left, H is first element is an operand, so we will push it on the stack. Then what is remaining? Multiplication plus A minus B C division minus D E plus minus F and G. Now again we will see next element, that is again an operand, so we will again push it back on the stack. Remaining is again the same thing. Now the next element is F, that is an operand. Again push it on the stack.
So H, then G, and then F. So the remaining is plus minus. Okay. Now minus or this element is nothing but the sign or operator, that is subtraction operator. So what we will do, we will attach this subtraction operator with operand 1 and operand 2. Again, this is prefix expression. So this is my operand 1 and this is my operand 2. So what we have to do, attach the operator with the operands. Postfix expression hai. So first of all operand 1, then operand 2 and then operator. So F, G and then minus. Okay. Now after subtraction the remaining expression is like this. अब आता है next operator, that is plus. अगर प्लस को भी अगर हम ऑपरेट करें तो रिमेनिंग क्या है वो पहले लिख लेते हैं. सो मल्टीप्लीकेशन प्लस a माइनस b c डिवाइडेड बाय माइनस d एंड e. नाउ we'll perform operation on operator. For this operator, this is my operand 1 and this is my operand 2. So write down operand first f g minus, then operand 2 h. Next is E. This E है, so we'll push it on the stack. ये operand element as it is रहेगा. Then push E again. Next is B. So push D also. So दोनों को push किया तो हम next element है हमारा, that is minus sign. So it is an operator. So we will perform or convert the element into the string consisting of both the operands and operator. So F, G minus H plus, then first operand, then second operand and then operator. So D, E and minus. Okay. So now first of all we will see what is remaining here. After minus sign क्या क्या बचता है, that is multiplication plus then A minus B C, okay, and division. यहाँ तक बचता है. Now division is an operator. So ये दो हमारे operands है. We will perform operation on that operator. क्या ऑपरेशन आएगा, ऑपरेंड 1, ऑपरेंड 2 एंड देन ऑपरेटर. सो नीचे स्टैक ड्रॉ करती हूँ बिकॉज वहां पर जगह कम है. सो फर्स्ट ऑपरेंड है मेरा DE माइनस, सो आई विल राइट दैट DE माइनस. देन नेक्स्ट ऑपरेंड है मेरा FG माइनस H प्लस, सो आई विल राइट दैट FG माइनस H प्लस एंड देन दिस ऑपरेटर डिवाइडिंग ऑपरेटर. ओके. नेक्स्ट बचता क्या है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन प्लस A माइनस B C. नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल पुश ऑल द, मीन्स एक स्टेप मैं स्किप करती हूँ, दो तीन स्टेप कंबाइन कर रही हूँ यहाँ पर. फर्स्ट है DE माइनस FG माइनस H प्लस डिविजन, देन C एंड देन B. पुश कर दिए मैंने. रिमेनिंग इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन प्लस A माइनस. माइनस इज एन ऑपरेटर. So मैं DE minus FG minus H plus division. This is operator, operand 1, operand 2. So B, C and then minus. I have combined the two operands with the operator and I pushed back the whole string on the stack. Now A. So मैंने यहाँ पर A को भी push कर दिया. तो भी बचता है मेरा multiplication and plus. So ये दो ऑपरेंड्स है जिसपे प्लस ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होगा. सो हियर DE माइनस FG माइनस H प्लस डिवाइडेड बाय and then operand 1, operand 2. So A, second operand is B, C minus, and operator is plus. Now remaining only one operator. So इन दोनों को अभी कंबाइन करेंगे हम. आप जब भी सॉल्व करोगे तो इन दिस वे, ये यहाँ पे स्टैक होगा, यहाँ पर एक्सप्रेशन होगा, ऐसे ही सॉल्व करो, ऐसे मत करना. हाँ, यहाँ पर जगह नहीं इसलिए मैंने वैसे किया है. नाउ दिस इज माय OP1, दिस इज माय OP2. सो A, B, C minus plus. This is my first operand. Then second operand is D, E minus F, G minus H plus divided by. ये दोनों ऑपरेंड लिख लिए. Now operator. So this is my final conversion from prefix to postfix. See this. Okay. Everybody, any doubt in this? आपको एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस कैसे आ सकते हैं कि कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग एक्सप्रेशन. अगर इनफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन है सपोज, सो कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग इनफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन इनटू पोस्टफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन. सो पहले करना क्या है आपको, इनफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन को पोस्टफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन में कन्वर्ट करो एंड देन इवैल्यूएट द पोस्टफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन. यस, क्वेश्चन में एक रीड करती हूँ. कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग इनफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन इनटू पोस्टफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन बाय शोइंग द कंटेंट ऑफ स्टैक फॉर एवरी इटरेशन एंड देन इवैल्यूएट द कन्वर्टेड पोस्टफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन बाय यूजिंग स्टैक फॉर द गिवन वैल्यू. मीन्स A is equal to 2, B is equal to 6, ऐसे दिया होगा आपको. यस, सो दो टास्क करने हैं आपको. फर्स्ट है, एक एग्जांपल लेकर बताऊं कि आपको मैं, आपको इनफिक्स टू पोस्टफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन कन्वर्जन आता है. यस, इनफिक्स टू पोस्टफिक्स उनको पहले कन्वर्ट कर लो स्टैक से. देन पोस्टफिक्स इवैल्यूएशन करना है, तो जैसे जैसे ये आएगा, सपोज ये मेरा पोस्टफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन है, तो अब मुझे इसे इवैल्यूएट करना है. तो मैं व्हेनेवर आई विल यूज स्टैक, व्हाट आई विल डू, आई विल स्कैन फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. लेफ्ट में है ऑपरेंड, सो व्हाट वी विल डू, पुश इट ऑन द स्टैक. सो ऑपरेंड पुश करेंगे तो क्या करेंगे, वॉट एवर द वैल्यू ऑफ A, सपोज A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5. Yes, so what I will push, instead of A, I will push 2. Then instead of B, I will push 4. Instead of C, I will push 5. Sorry, not C, I will push 5. Now next क्या है, subtraction operator है. Pop the two operands. Pop the two operands, perform the operation and push back result on the stack. Now this should be your operand 1, this should be your operand 2. So what I will do, 4 minus 5. Result क्या है, -1. So stack पे क्या जाएगा, 2 and -1. Yes. पोस्टफिक्स एक्सप्रेशन इवैल्यूएशन में हमने यही टेक्निक यूज की थी. ये मेरा जो भी टॉप ऑफ द स्टैक होगा दैट इज ऑपरेंड 2 और उसके नीचे का ऑपरेंड 1. ओनली प्रीफिक्स के लिए टॉप ऑफ द स्टैक इज OP1 एंड उसके नीचे का एलिमेंट OP2 होगा. ओके, गॉट एवरीबडी? यस. Have you written this expression?
अगर लिखा नहीं है तो लिख लो. Okay, now I will require only half lecture for explaining remaining topics of this unit. Then your unit of stat will finish. After that, we will take the assignments on this unit. Okay, तो वो जो assignment है, I will do one thing. I will take one extra lecture after 3 o'clock in this week. और आपको असाइनमेंट 1 या 2 लेक्चर लेके असाइनमेंट एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. ओके, नाउ डू वन थिंग. Shreya, stop the video.